The concept of understanding a design, understanding your client, which is again the entire design process, is the best learning I've got. Experience at AND was really, I think it was one of the best decisions I've made when I joined AND, because I come from a very different background. I took designing all from scratch, and that switch between media and designing, I had a lot of doubts how a course would be, and especially if I'm taking diploma. That is something people say, you don't go to diploma, that's something you won't get a lot in that course, how you won't be ready enough for the industry. A lot of doubts were all around, people were misleading, I would say. But otherwise, once I joined, and how well put together I felt in the matters of course structure, the way of teaching, how faculties were actually interested and addressing all the basic, since I come from scratch, I felt that even my simplest questions were addressed so nicely. I felt that was more convincing for me that okay, I took a good decision that I joined, and of course I've learned a lot. But the one thing I would say is understanding the client process. The entire design process, which includes talking to client and all. This is more relevant from the course, and I would also say it is as a human skill also, because it becomes very important, you as a designer, that you know how to communicate to a client, or how to read their minds, how to read their gestures, how to decode that. Because without that, if you're good with a software, great job, but if you're not able to decode what your client is trying to say, and if you're not able to put it down in the software, in your papers, in your drawings, it makes the works become more difficult in that matter. So the concept of understanding a design, understanding your client, which is again the entire design process, is the best learning I've got till date. I think it's been almost 2 years in the industry for me. I'm a freelancer. I take up all the residential projects. I'm a freelance interior designer. Now when I see that, I felt that that's the one thing which is helping me till date, to crack all my clients, all my work. So that's it.